Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing the LG Vista. This one has a bad IMEI, so it just deactivates the SIM cards when you put them in. I got the Note 10 Plus and the Note 8 out here. Going to be our slow motion cameras. So let's go and start this one. It is going to be kind of a pain to stop and start all these, but we're good. I was going to do a backdrop from waist height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, let's take a look at it. Clip the back on. Screen is still good. Let's take a look at the back. Took some marks up here at the top. A little bit down here. Nothing too bad at all. Alright, let's go and do the corner drop. From waist height. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, that was nice and clean too. Go and take a look at it. The back on. Didn't crack, so that's good. Definitely hit right there on the corner, as you can tell. Oh, now it looks like it's still fully working. So that's good. Now we're going to do the face down from waist height. I really hope this survives, but we'll see. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, the back came off. Oh, it cracked. Damn it. Let me go ahead and we'll just sit in the envoy real quick and take a look at it. Get out of the sun. So as you can see, right up here on the top, not too bad. But I didn't think it was going to survive. These bezels on these are really thin, so. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do the backdrop from head height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, looks like it cracked a little bit right there, going up. Nothing too bad. Looks like camera lens still looks good. Put the backpack on. Still looks like it works. Just took some nicks down here at the bottom, a little bit up here on the top, as you can tell. Did pretty good still. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do the corner drop from head height. Hopefully we can get it on the corner. We'll go on this corner, sensing it's not cracked on that side and we didn't drop on that corner. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so I look nice and clean on the corner. It looks like I see some glass, so yep, it definitely cracked on that corner. Like I said, the bezels are really thin on this thing. Let's see if it still turns on. Oh, it never turned off. Okay. There you go. Looks like it's still working. Just like I said, took some more damage down there at the bottom. And now the face down. And I know for a fact it's going to crack now. We'll try to get it really nice, smooth on face down. I'm wearing my house slippers because I really don't want to get ready for this today. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. The battery came out that time. It's a pain. I made my Note 8 clear though. It's a pain to turn both of these off, so I think we'll take the Note 8 out that way. We'll do the third test and we'll leave the Note 10 back here. Actually, it didn't do too bad from the head height face down. Looks like maybe right here. I think maybe around these spots. I'll have to look at the video. Yeah, not too bad at all. Alright, let me go ahead and pause the video and go move that out there and get it started. And then we'll get the Note 10 adjusted and everything. Okay, so the Note 8's out there. The Note 10 is here. I'm going to swap hands real quick. Where's the camera lens at? Oh, okay, it's right there. I need to kind of get it in that burnout mark right there, so we can get it on both phones. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I just missed the Note 9 or Note 8. So the Note 8 is tweaking out here with the broken screen. And the Vista cracked even heavier. I don't think we got it on the Note. I think we were too far out, so. I think it still works. Didn't damage the LCD. Grab these. Yeah, it looks like it's still working, just cracked. I'm not sure where it hit. I think maybe right there. Maybe on the back. Oh yeah, definitely hit the back, I think. Yeah. Still working though, it looks like. Let's see, I'm getting a shade. Yep, still working. LCD's not damaged. It's not too bad. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.